Flash Update, and this update is for Thursday. And we're at the last trading day of June, last trading day of a quarter. A lot of things going on today, so be careful. The markets are also going into the holiday mode for the July 4th holiday. We won't be open on Monday in normal sessions. You'll have your abbreviated future session. The stock market will be closed, as will cash bonds, banks, and the like. But as you can see, the stock market down, gold up a little bit, but I continue to watch, and I'm disappointed in what copper continues to do. Copper keeps telling us it has nothing any longer to do with just China. It has to do with the whole world in this recession mode, and it's something to pay attention to. Energy prices lower. Why is this not getting more attention in gasoline? While the service stations are going to hold prices up through the 4th of July holiday itself, right after that, if I were you, I'd be looking for them to start going like that in the pricing. And the reason is the differential between what we're looking at here and what you go through the chain and finally get by the time the gas stations get it, that's dropping. And that'll be passed on sooner rather than later. In the grain market, folks, be careful. In front of the July 4th holiday, we get this acreage report. And this report to me is super important. Farmers at the beginning of the season, they tell the government what they expect they're going to plant. They make some of the moves for their acreage they're not going to plant, crop insurance and the like. But by this report, what had to be planted in corn especially is planted. Now, what you can't make up can go into sometimes soybeans, depending on parts of the country. Other times, it's whatever crop you can grow. But the corn is the big number I look at, because if the acreage is down there, and I think it will be, when that happens, where did it go? Does it just sit idle? What does it do? You can see corn is down today 8 1/4 cents, wheat down 5, beans down 8 3/4. I avoid this report. I've learned to, like the plague. I just stay away. I've seen limit moves off it. I just don't want any part of that. When you look at the dollar, fairly stable right now. They ended the NATO conference today, so that's fairly important. As we take a look at the day's data, we should take a look right through here, personal income and consumption spending. Let's go to what the Fed looks at, which is right in this zone, the core PCE. And you're going to tell me, okay, Ira, it slipped. They were expecting it to be a little better than that. The prior number was 4.9%. They got 4.7. Okay. And you can see the index month over month went up from the prior month up to 0.6. The PCE index year over year about where it was. So let me explain it the way that I interpret it. You're not seeing much of a slippage yet in general inflation. Now, the Fed tries to take out food and gas prices as best as it can. It's looking for things that its monetary policy can control. It has no control, truly, over food prices.